Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best door lock replacement parts. $131,763,310 washer door striker replacement part. The $131,763,310 washer door striker on your washing machine allows your washer door to lock properly and operate efficiently. This part fixes the following symptoms: lid or door won't close, will not start, lid or door will not open, will not fill with water. This part is made perfectly fit and replace original OEM part that you can easily install it yourself and fix your washer within few minutes. $8,181,651 washer door catch strike replacement. The door strike attaches to the washer door and activates the door switch when the door is closed. Whirlpool $8,181,651 washer door strike. This door strike is for a front-load washer. This high-quality exact equivalent meets or exceeds original manufacturer specifications. It has a durable plastic construction for reliable use. District of Columbia 64 to 00519B, washer switch door lock compatible replacement switch. Quality replacement switch door lock. District of Columbia 64 to 00519B, made for Samsung washing machine. Quality replacement. District of Columbia 64 to 00519B, compatible part numbers # District of Columbia 64 to 00519B, AP 4,205,355, PS 4,210,737, 2,071,402. Customer service. If you are not sure whether this part fits your model, please contact us before purchasing. EBF 6131580 washer door lock switch replacement part. The lock can become broken, meaning that the door can be opened while the washer is operational. The EBF 6131580 washer door lock ensures that the washer door is closed before it is allowed to begin. The washer won't start unless it knows that the door is locked. This is not original product. The mention of any related model designation above is only for purposes of demonstrating compatibility. $131,763,310 door striker replacement part by Blue Stars. This part fixes the following symptoms: lid or door won't close, will not start, lid or door will not open, will not fill with water. The $131,763,310 door strike on your washing machine allows your washer door to lock properly and operate efficiently. This part is also known as a washing machine door lock assembly. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.